We are on page 8 in your digital notebook. We have clicked Next 3 times to get to this page if you are using Savas. First question, which was the most important political body in ancient Athens? You'll find that answer in this circled paragraph. And I'm going to continue on and let it play. And the second question, the second key component of the Athenian government was what? You'll find that answer in this pink highlighted paragraph. So let's go ahead and listen.
How did Athenian democracy work? Political reforms produced a golden age of democracy in Athens. Citizens ran all parts of the government. The most important were the assembly, the council, and the courts. The business of government. The main political body of Athens was the assembly, which all free adult male citizens had the right to attend. Meetings took place 40 times a year. Everyone who attended the assembly had the right to speak, from the poorest farmer to the richest aristocrat. A 500-person council, known as the bouli, was the second key component of the Athenian government. The council helped decide which issues should come before the assembly. Members of the council were chosen by lot, or at random, from among the citizens. As a result, every male citizen had a chance of serving on the council.
Number 1, which was the most important political body in ancient Athens? You will find that answer in this yellow circled paragraph. Number 2, the second key component of the Athenian government was what? You'll find that answer in the pink highlighted paragraph. All right, let's continue on. Number 3, the third key component of the Athenian government was what? You'll find that answer in this blue highlighted paragraph. Let's go ahead and listen.
The courts. The government's third key component was the court system. Athens had many different courts, each of which decided different types of cases. Juries made up of citizens served in the courts, deciding cases by majority vote. Juries in Athens were much larger than modern juries. Many people, from several hundred to several thousand, might serve on a single jury. Additional laws were passed to discourage bribery. As democracy grew stronger in Athens, older governmental bodies lost power. For example, the Areopagus, a council of advisors who decided some court cases, lost all its functions except the right to judge murder cases.
Number 3, the third key component of the Athenian government was what? You'll find that answer in this blue highlighted paragraph. All right, let's move on to page 9 in your digital notebook, your last page. I am going to hit play and let it read through this, but there are no questions. So let's look at number 4 and 5 here. In the pink highlighted text, you'll find number 4, which is what did Athenian democracy depend on? And number 5, your last question, which is also a mastery check question, which principle do modern democracies share with ancient Athens? So let's go ahead and have this read to us starting at, did Athenian democracy have limitations?
Did Athenian democracy have limitations? Athens was not completely democratic. Women could not vote or hold office. Foreigners, even if they came from another Greek city-state, could not be citizens and had no voice in the government. Slaves had no rights. Athens, then, did not have rule by all the people. Compared to most places in the ancient world, however, Athens included far more people in government. Direct and representative democracy. The differences. Athenian democracy depended on active citizen involvement. A political system in which citizens participate directly in decision-making is called a direct democracy. Direct democracy worked in Athens because the population of the city-state was small and because of the commitment and hard work of its citizens. Direct democracy is less practical in large countries like the United States. In countries spread over a wide area of land, citizens live too far apart to meet. In addition, nations like the United States have so many citizens that Athenian-style assemblies would be too big. For this reason, most democracies today are representative democracies. In a representative democracy, citizens elect others to represent them in government. These representatives then make the decisions and pass laws on behalf of all the people. Despite the differences, modern democracies share the Athenian ideal of rule by the people.
Number 4, what did Athenian democracy depend on? You'll find that answer in the pink highlighted paragraph. Number 5, which is a mastery check question, which principle do modern democracies share with ancient Athens? You'll find that answer in this yellow circled paragraph.